Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss Karnataka SET Mathematical Science previous year question paper from 2013 to 2020. ODE, PDE, IE, Calculus Operation, Numerical Analysis and Classical Mechanics. This is a 2020 question paper. Let us start. If F1 and F2 are linearly independent, solution of I double dash plus P of x I dash plus q of x y equal to 0. Here is the one result. Result is a let y1 and y2 are two linearly independent solution. Then here equation given y double dash plus p of x y dash plus q of x y equal to 0. X belongs to closed interval AB. Then what is a p of x here? P of x is a w minus w dash upon w. What is a w dash? y1 y2 double dash minus y2 y1 double dash, and q of x is a w of y1 dash y2 dash upon w of y1 y2. That is a here determinant, and so here p of x and q of x, that is a f1 double dash. Option A is correct from based on this result. Next question. For the initial value problem, y dash is equal to y square plus 1, y of 0 is equal to 0, the largest h such that existence of a solution in mod of x is less than or equal to h, predicted by Picard theorem. Your answer is 1 by 2. Try yourself. Next question. The general PDE of a second order function of a two independent variable x and y. Here given r s t. What is a s square minus 4t is greater than 0, then hyperbolic equal to 0, parabolic less than 0, elliptic. Question based on direct result. Here given s square minus 4t is greater than 0, but here given parabolic, so option A is discarded. Here hyperbolic, and here given equality, this is also discarded, and here given hyperbolic at is less than 0, this is also discarded. Elliptic and less than 0, this is correct. Next question. If u of u is equal to u of x y is a solution of the Cauchy problem. What is the problem given? Dou u by dou x plus u dou u by dou y is equal to 6x, u of 0y is equal to 3y. This is a condition. Then find the value of u of unknown, and find here p plus 4q is equal to 6x. Here p is equal to 1, q is equal to u, and r is equal to 6, and find Lagrange's theorem and put this value, and here one get equality and another is this one, and here we get c1 and here we get c2. And what is the answer solution? Here 5 c2 is equal to c1, put this value, and condition given that put this value, and at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, finally we get 3. That is option B is correct. Next question. The sufficient condition for the convergence of Newton-Raphson iteration scheme an plus 1 is equal to an minus f of an upon f dash of an is. Here Newton-Raphson method is given, and one formula. Convergent if its derivative, modulus of its derivative is less than 1, and find its derivative. Let us suppose phi of x is equal to x minus f of x upon f dash of x, and differentiate, and finally we get this one, and one result. From this result, phi dash of x is less than 1, that is f of x upon f double dash of x upon f dash of x square is less than 1, so option D is correct. Next question. Given the following data, here x is given, f of x is given, the piecewise linear interpolating polynomial for 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2. Here given x lies between only 1 and 2, and put this value in option 1 and 2, and we get 3 and 7. Put this value here, discarded. Put this value, this is also discarded, this is also discarded. So option B is correct. Here put 1 is equal, x is equal to 1, we get 3, and 2 is put 2 and we get 7. So option B is correct. Next question. The functional j of y is equal to 0 to 2 t square plus y dash square minus 2t y dash dt with y of 0 is equal to 0 and y of 2 is equal to 3. And this is a functional, and here is a f is a independent of y in calculus of variation, and find dou y dash is equal to c, and put this value and differentiate. Finally we get y of x is equal to 1 upon 2 plus 2t plus 1 upon 2 t square. That is a unique solution. So option D is correct. Next question. If y of t is equal to t plus 0 to 1 by 2 y of s ds, then which one of the following is true? Here option C is correct. You can try. Next question. The solution of initial value problem, d square y by dx square minus 2y dx minus 3y is equal to 2 e raised to x minus 10 sin x. Here given a condition, and this is a differential equation. Put m square minus 2m minus 3, and here root we get 3 and minus 1. Put this value and find particular integral, and finally we get general solution. So option C is correct. Here C1 is 3 by 2 and C2 is 2. So option C is correct. The eigenvalue of Sturm Liouville problem. Here is the one result. The eigenvalue are always real for a regular SLP P boundary value problem, that is a singular SLP. That is also called as Sturm Liouville problem. All eigenvalue are real. In option A given a complex, discarded. B also complex, discarded. Here given a real and negative. Here real given, and here negative, here non-negative. From official answer key, both are correct. Option CD correct. Next question. The green function for the boundary value problem. Here given a condition given, and find yourself. Option A is correct. Next question. The solution u of xy of a Poisson equation in a square ux plus u y equal to minus 1, and modulus of x less than or equal to 1, modulus of y less than or equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. First of all, you can suppose in option ABCD. Let us suppose u is equal to in option D, and find here given a u in option D, and find its derivative u x plus u y. Finally we get answer minus 1. Then option D is correct. You can discard A, B, C also. And other method is here x is equal to 1 given, y is equal to plus or minus 1. Here given x is equal to plus or minus 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. Here A option is also discarded. In option B, here x is equal to plus or minus 1 and y is equal to 1. This is also discarded. Here x is equal to plus or minus I, y is equal to plus or minus I. This is also discarded. In option D is given x is equal to plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 1. So from here given x is equal to plus or minus 1, y is equal to plus or minus 1. Option D is correct. Next question. If Hg is the iteration matrix of a Gauss-Seidel scheme, Hj is the iteration matrix for a Jacobi scheme for the solving Ax is equal to b, then which one of the following is the true? One result based on this question. The convergence of Gauss-Seidel scheme is twice as a Jacobi scheme. That is option A is correct. Next question. Let P of H be the spectral radius of the iteration matrix H, the rate of convergence of the iterative method. Here option C is correct because here is one result. The rate of convergence of iterative method is given by V is equal to minus log 10 P of H, or also that is written as V is equal to minus in P of H. Here given this one minus log P of H. So option C is correct. Next question. If E, del are a shift forward, backward and central difference operator respectively, then which one of the following is not a true? Here asked based on not a true. Here is one result. This is a direct task and this is also direct task AB, and AB are a true option, but here CD are not a true. According to official answer key, CD is correct. Both are correct. Which one of the following value of f dash? Find f dash of 2.0 obtained by using the method of based on linear interpolation for the following data. Here given del square, find your and put this formula. What is the f dash of x? This is a formula to find, and here x one formula x naught is equal to ph plus, here find 2. So that is written here 2, and x naught is 0, and p, what is the difference? H is equal to 1, find p is equal to 2. Finally we get p is equal to 2, and put this value in p formula. Put it in formula, p is equal to 2, and this table you finally get answer C. Next question. If uxx plus uy equal to 0 in a given region, then u of xy can't you have a relative maximum or minimum inside the region unless it is a constant? Option C is correct. This is the graph of a point of a minima. This is a point of maxima. Here given can't have a maxima or minima unless it is a constant. That is a straight line. So option C is correct. The integral equation of the boundary value problem d square y by dx square minus lambda y equal to 0 with condition given y of a is equal to 0, y of b is equal to 0 can be transformed into. Here given a boundary value problem. Every initial value problem is converted into Volterra integral equation, and every boundary value problem is converted into Friedel integral equation. That is homogeneous Friedel integral equation. That is option B is correct. Next question. The solution of the integral equation phi of x is equal to x plus 0 to x. Here given try yourself. Option B is correct. Next question. If phi of x is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx, here plus cos x y is equal to sin x cos x, then phi of x is equal to, find a CF, that is complementary function, plus particular integral. Finally we get option A. Next question. The roots m1 m2 of the auxiliary equation for the system of differential equation. Here two equation given, x plus y 4x minus 2y, and that is written here in matrix form 1 1 4 minus 2, and here check what is the trace. Here trace is equal to minus 1. In check option, here trace is a 1, here trace is a minus 5. In option D trace is a 5. So A, B, D are discarded. Here trace is a minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. So option C is correct. Next question. The critical point 0 0 of the linear system. Here two equation given, and is a stable. Here given a stable if and only if, here 4 option given, and one important result. If roots are same sign, then is a node. Roots are opposite sign, saddle point, imaginary, spiral, purely imaginary, center. And the next one is the if lambda 1 lambda 2, that is the roots greater than 0 unstable, is less than 0, both are less than 0, then stable. Based on this result, you can take screenshot of this one. And here given a stable if roots are negative. So here given a stable, and in option we check positive real root not discarded, equal real part no, equal not non-equal positive real part, that is also not true. Here option C is correct, non-positive real part, that is negative root. Next question, this is also same. The general second order PD, here given A, B, C, that is RST. R is given A, B, S is a B, and C, T is a C, that is B square minus 4AC is greater than 0, hyperbolic, equal to 0, parabolic, less than 0, elliptic. And here given a elliptic less than 0, here not true, here greater than 0, but here is a elliptic, so this is also not true. Hyperbolic is here given less than, this is also not true. Option C is correct, elliptic and less than 0. The integral surface satisfying the linear PD, here given equation and containing a straight line, that is the condition given x plus y is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. And first of all check in option, if I take B option, and here put z is equal to 1, here given z is equal to 1, here z is equal to 1, and here also z is equal to 1, and this is a formula to x plus y square, this is a formula x plus y square, here given x plus y is equal to 0, put this value, and finally we get minus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. Here condition equality hold, here 0 equal to 0, so option B is correct. You can check other option also. Next question, the function u x1 uxt n cos and bn sin, this is given solution of one dimensional wave equation when the string is clamped in a position at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. Option A is correct. An iterative formula by Newton-Raphson method to compute the reciprocal of natural number. Here is one formula to find square root n, then xn plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 xn plus n upon xn, this is formula. And q, this is also formula, you can check. And one here given reciprocal of n, that is xn into 2 minus nx. Option A is correct. This is a general formula to with square root of n. Next question, for the evaluation of a to b f of x dx, the Simpson one-third rule require the interval ab to be divided into, this is a direct result, any one number of subinterval of equal width. Option B is correct. Next question, the necessary and sufficient condition for a convergence of an iterative method of the form x k plus 1 is equal to x k plus c, k runs from 0 to 1 to, is that the eigenvalue lambda I of the iteration matrix H satisfy, this is also direct result. The necessary and sufficient condition for the convergence of a iterative method of the form, your form is given and eigenvalue to satisfy, this is based on direct result, so option C is correct. The extremal of the functional integration given with and condition given, and first of all here condition is given y of 0 is equal to 0, y dash of 0 is equal to 1, and if I take option C, you can check other also, here discarded. And if I take option C, here y of 0 x is equal to, put x is equal to 0, and we get finally y of 0 is equal to 0. Option C is satisfied this condition. Now check for y dash of 0 is equal to 1, and y dash is equal to, here x is given, that is 1 with respect to x, this is the direct satisfied, so option C is correct. Next question, the shortest distance between the parabola y is equal to x square. and straight line. This given and a graph of this y is equal to x square. This is the solution. Option A is the correct. Next question. If a body is moving under no external force about a fixed point in a body, then which one of the following is the true? The angular momentum is unaltered during motion. Option B is the correct. For the PD, here PD is given, dou z by here given, and general solution. What is the U and V? And first of all check which one is the correct. And let us suppose if I select option D, U and V, and this is a formula to find here P, Q and minus 1, and find dou v by dou x. For this one, put this value dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z, and dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z equal to, find a determinant equal to 0. That is, finally we get this equation. So option D is the correct. Let 5 minus c square is equal to cx be a primitive of the differential equation. And the equation given, number of integral curve which passes through. Try yourself. Option B is the correct. Next question. A particle is moving with a force perpendicular to and proportional to its distance from the line of zero velocity. Then the path of quickest descent. This is also direct result. Quickest descent means circle. Next question. The solution of the integral equation. Integral equation is given, and option B is the correct. G of t is equal to 40 upon t 3. Next question. The body continue to be in a state of a rest of a uniform motion unless no external force is applied to it. This law is known as a law of inertia. Next question. The point on the plane equation is given which is nearest to the origin. Option C is correct. This is for your homework. Next question. Consider f of x. Here f of x is given with the starting approximation. Starting point is given, and find fourth iteration of Newton-Raphson method. This is a formula to Newton-Raphson method, and find yourself. Option D is correct. The initial value problem dy by dx is equal to I raised to 1 by 3 y of 0 is equal to 0. Here is the one result. For differential equation dy by dx is equal to alpha of I raised to k. This equation, and here alpha is a constant and k is less than 0. Then y of 0 is equal to 0, then implies infinite solution. Y of 0 is equal to b, that is b is non-zero, then implies unique solution. Here given y of 0 is equal to 0, and here is the 1 by 3, that is a less than 0, and so has a infinite many solution, that is has more than one solution. So option D is correct. This is an important result. Next question also depend on this one. The complete general solution of here given us, so and find a complementary function plus particular interval, we get general solution, that is this. The general solution of the PDE, here given a equation, and find, let us suppose in option B, check here z, find z, that is x plus a square plus 5 square upon b, and square root on both sides. Here z is given, and first of all find dou z by dou x and dou square z by and square plus dou z by dou y plus its square into y. Finally we get dou z by dou y into z. So option B is correct. Here equality hold both are. Next question. Which one of the following is the true on alter integral equation of second kind? This is a direct result. Equivalent kernel h of x y lambda is given by sum of iterated kernel. Next question. The extremal for the functional a to b bar 12 xy plus y dash square dx is given by. Here is the f is given, this one, and find by formula, and finally we get option A. in calculus of variation. Next question, the number of linearly independent solution of the form y is equal to x raised to r of the differential equation. The equation is given. Option D is correct. You can try. Next question, the PDE. Here r is given, s is given, t is given. S square minus 4rt. Here given also hyperbolic, that is greater than 0. And find the solution, and when it is greater than 0, x is non-zero, y is not equal to 1, y is not equal to 2, then it is a hyperbolic. So option C is correct. The PD of the set of all right circular cone whose axis coincide with z axis. Here is the one solution, the equation of all surface revolution over 2 axis, that is z is equal to f of x square plus y square. Find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y and put this value, and finally get I dou z by dou x equal to x dou z by dou y. Option B is correct. In the motion of two particle system, if two particles are connected by a rigid weightless rod of a constant length, then the number of degrees of freedom of the system is option A is correct, 5. Next question, the extremal for the variational problem I of x is equal to x naught to x1 dy by dx 1 plus x square dy by dx. Solution of the differential equation. Try yourself. Next question, the solution of the following system of a linear equation by Gauss elimination. The solution of the following system of a linear equation by Gauss elimination use partial pivoting. Here given 3 equation. Here given 3 equation, and the pivots for elimination for x and y. You can try. Here 10 and 4 answer. Option A is correct. Next question, let y and y2 be a two linearly independent solution of. Here equation is given. G of x is equal to w of x be the work constant of y and y2. Then g dash of x vanishes at all point of 0, 1. So option D is correct. Next question, the complete integral of the equation. Here equation is given and solution is given, and you can try. For the differential equation t minus 2 square d square y by dt square plus t dy by dt plus y equal to 0. Then point t is equal to 0. Here is one result. Consider this is for a singular point. Consider the second order derivative, and y double dash, here p1 is given, p2 is given. This is a regular singular point, and it is a, if the function defined by the product, that is product here given, are both analytic at x naught, then point x naught is called at a regular singular point. We can check here. Option C is the correct, a regular singular point we get based on this result. Next question, which one of the following satisfies the heat equation without source term and a diffusion constant 1 in one space dimension? That is option B is the correct. You can try. One root of the equation, here equation is given, and lies interval 3 and 4, the least number of iteration satisfied the bisection method, so that error is less than or equal to 10 raised to minus 3. Option B is the correct, 10. Next question, the Runge-Kutta method of order 4 is used to solve the differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of x. Here is the condition given with step size h. Here option A is the correct. You can check. Here next question, consider the system of equation. Here equation given 2, and here A is the real constant. Jacobi iteration sum for solving this equation converges when less than 1. This is a direct result. Next question, here a functional is given. Here f is a xy plus y square minus 2y square dy by dx, and condition is given, that is y of 0 is equal to 1, y of 1 is equal to 2, and find solution from based on result. Here we get no extremal. Next question, which one of the following function is the solution of the problem type integral equation y of x is equal to x plus integration 0 to 1 x t y of t dt? Answer we get 3 by 2x. Next question, for the Hamiltonian h is equal to 1 by 2 1 upon q square plus p square q raised to 4, the equation of the motion for q can be written as. Option C is correct. Let k of xy be a given real function defined for 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, and y is also lies between 0 to 1. F of x is a given real function defined for x lies between 0 to 1, and lambda be a arbitrary complex number. Then general linear Friedland integral equation of second kind. This is a direct result. Here given a general linear Friedland integral equation of the second kind for the function. Option C is the general linear integral equation of Friedland integral equation of second kind. So option C is correct. The order of convergence and asymptotic error constant in bisection method. Here order is the linear, so order is the 1, and asymptotic error, that is half 1 by 2. So option B is correct. Next question, here given consider the PDE. Here A is given, 2B and C is given. One result, that is a square minus 4t is greater than 0, hyperbolic equal to 0, parabolic less than 0, elliptic. First of all, check in option. Parabolic is less than greater than 0. This is not true. Less than 0, hyperbolic given. This is also not true. Elliptic equal to non-zero. If greater than 0, this is not satisfied. Hyperbolic greater than 0. So option D is correct. Let m of x and n is be homogeneous function of the same degree n such that m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Then find its solution, we get option A. Next question, if the function y is equal to phi of x at x is equal to 1 is defined implicitly by equation e raised to minus x cos y plus sin y equal to e, and find dy by dx at x is equal to 1, and put this value and x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2n plus 1 by differentiate with respect to x. Finally we get, and put x is equal to 1, y is equal to pi. Let suppose y is equal to pi, and finally we get dy by dx is equal to e. So option B is correct. Next question, which one of the following are the integral curve of the differential equation? You can check by Lagrange's method. Finally we get circle. Next question, if y is equal to x is the solution of the differential equation x square d square y by dx square plus x dy by dx minus y equal to 0, the second linearly independent solution of differential equation. Option A is the correct. The PDE equation of the set of all right circular cones whose axes coincide with z axis. Option B is the correct. The equation of all surface revolution about z axis is the z is equal to x square plus y square, and find dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, and dou z by dou x is equal to, put this value, and finally we get option B. Next question, suppose u of xy satisfy Laplace equation del square u is equal to 0 in R2, u is equal to x on a unit circle, then the origin, that is u is equal to 0. The surface satisfying dou square u by dou y square is equal to 3x cube y, containing two lines y is equal to 0 is equal to u. Here given a equation and a condition is given, and if I take option A, that is u, and first of all find dou square u by dou y square, that is we get 3x square y, then it is option A is correct. we can try. Next question, let A is given, B is given, consider the following statement. The matrix A has a LU decomposition, no LU decomposition. That is, here option only P2 is correct. That is, the matrix B has a no LU decomposition. You can try. The solution of the ultra integral equation. You can solve this one. We get option B, y of x is equal to 3. For what value of m and n do the transformation equation? Here q is given and the p is given. Represent a canonical transformation. Option C is correct. M is equal to 1 by 2, n is equal to 2. The extremal of the, this is a IMP question. The extremal of this one, this is the solution of Poisson equation, that is d square. Finally we get solution of this one, d square z by dou x square plus dou square z by dou y square is equal to f of xy. So option, this is the equation of Poisson equation. Option B is correct. The third approximation to the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus xy. Condition is y of 0 is equal to 1 in Picard method. What is the Picard method? And put this value, and finally option B is correct. Next question, for the ODE, y dash is equal to x root y. This is a singular solution, y is equal to 0. Option C is correct. If u of xt is the solution of the wave equation, utt is equal to c square uxx, which one of the following is not true? Here B is correct, C is correct, D is correct, and A is not true. So option A is correct. You can check. Next question, the Sturm-Liouville problem. Here equation is given and condition is given. As a non-trivial solution if lambda is equal to n square. Option D is correct. The solution of heat equation. Here equation is given and condition is given. Finally we get solution of this equation. Option A. You can try. The extremal for the functional integration a to b x plus y square plus 3y dash dx is given. Here is the f is given x plus y square plus 3y dash, and put this formula in calculus operation. That is, we get option C. Consider the problem integral equation phi of x is given for real function. That is, condition is given. Which of the following solution of 1? Option A is correct. The value of y of 0.2 obtained by Rangakutta method for fourth order. Find a fourth order in Rangakutta method. The value of y of 0.2 and given equation is given and condition is given. Here increment, that is h is equal to 0.2. Put this, you can try. Option C is correct. Consider the homogeneous linear system. Here equation is given. Let to be any point AB and let phi is equal to phi 1 to phi n be solution of Power system such that phi of t naught is equal to 0. Here given phi of t naught is equal to 0, then phi of t is equal to 0 for all t belongs to closed interval AB. Option B is correct. Next question. Here given f is given and x is non-zero, not equal to high. And first of all, find dou f by dou x and find dou f by dou y and multiply x and plus y equal to, we get option D. The eigenvalue of Sturm-Liouville problem. Here equation is given, condition is given. You can check which option is correct. Now non-trivial solution of if x is greater than 0. This is also check. Which one of the following concerning the solution of Dirichlet problem for a smooth bounded region is true? Here solution is unique. Newton transform method is applicable when f dash of x is non-zero in the neighborhood of actual root of x is equal to alpha. Next question. Here given r is given y, s is a 2xy, t is a x, dash square minus 4rt. Here given also a hyperbolic, that is s square minus 4rt is greater than 0, and whenever this is greater than 0, if and only if xy is greater than 1. Option C is correct. The solution of Euler-Poisson equation are called as externals. Option B is correct. The value of lambda for which y of x is equal to 1 plus lambda x is the solution of the integral equation. Here that is equation given, y of x is given, and find lambda. That is option A is correct. You can check. Which one of the following transformation reduces the differential equation? Here equation given, and it reduces to dou by dou x plus this equation is converted into that type. And what is here u? You can find. Otherwise, and put u you can take one option in 4 option. And first of all, find dou by dou x, p of x, u, q of x. You can try this one. The initial value problem. Your equation is given, condition is given, has unique solution from above result. I telling you dy by dx upon dx is equal to k y raised to alpha. Here alpha is less than 0 and k is a constant. Unique solution if y of 0 is equal to b, that is b is a non-zero. Here in option C, here given a unique solution, x0 is a 0 from this condition, and b is a non-zero, that is 1. So option C is correct. The solution of u of xt of the Dirichlet problem. You can try this question. Next question. The particular integral of the dE. Find, you can check this. You can try. Next question. The general solution of here is given dou square theta by dou x square plus dou square theta by dou y square is equal to 0 is of the form. First of all, choose any option and discard option A, B and D. If I take option C as a theta and find dou square theta by dou x square plus dou square theta by dou y square. Finally we get equality. If 0, then option C is correct, otherwise not. We can check also other method. Next question. Which of the following states if f of x is a 3 times differentiable and f dash f double dash are not 0? At a solution yes of f of x is equal to 0, then x not sufficiently close to s double dash. You can try. Here is a Newton's course formula. F of x is interpolated at equally spaced node by a polynomial of degree 3. Then it is represented as. This is also for your homework. Next question. Consider the following statement. What is the convergence of rate of secant method? You can try this. In the convergence of regular Falsi method is a linear. Bisection method is based on repeated application of intermediate theorem. You can try. This is also for your homework. Consider the holonomic dynamical system. This is for you can check. Next question. Let the curve C be the extremal of the functional. Here extremal is given with the suitable boundary condition. Then the what is the here is the one theorem, Legendre condition for testing of weak maximum. Weak maximum if I double dash is less than 0 maximum, and minimum if greater than 0, and a strong minima, strong maxima. You can check this option. Your option is A is correct. Consider the integral equation y of x is equal to f of x plus lambda a to b k of xt y of t dt. Then which one of the following k of xt is not a degenerate kernel? You can check. Next question. This is from 2020 real analysis. The series sum n runs from 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n to n plus 1 upon 3n plus 5. Here option is a divergent. This is the solution of this one. There n is given, and find this one. You can check. If limit n tending to infinity n is non-zero, then not a converges. This is in a series for a necessary condition. And limit n tending to infinity n raised to minus 1 raised to n, that is written here, and here limit does not exist. So this is a divergent. Option A is correct. The radius of convergence of the power series. Here power series, find this one, and here n is equal to this one, that is 1 plus 1 upon n, and an, find an plus 1. And what is the radius of convergence? 1 upon r is equal to limit n tending to infinity n plus 1 upon n. And put this n plus 1 upon n and cancel. We get cancel, and finally we get limit n tending to infinity 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon n raised to n into 2 into 2. And that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and 1 upon 1, this is a direct result, that is 4 upon e. And here is equal to 1 upon r is equal to 4 upon e, and r is equal to e upon 4. So option e upon 4, A is correct. Next question. The sum of the series. Find the sum of this series. That is put here. That is formula. n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon n factorial is equal to 1 upon 6. And proceed. You can check this option. Here get option C. Next question. Here is the plus or minus 2. This is the solution of that question. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.